Dude, just hold on. I'll feed you in a second. Alright guys, March 21st, 2018, and it's snowing. Yesterday was first day of spring, and now there's snow outside. Instead of it snowing, I'm not going t-shirt on. Today is, I'm just gonna chill out, and then I have school and work. Let's go. It's like an opposite of Monday, except work is at the end of the day, not the start of the day. What? Anyway, let's get this day started. I'm going to watch the sermon because I wasn't able to watch it on Saturday. Rachel is doing her schoolwork.
I was going to be sitting at this table.
Yeah, like every single vlog, all you do is sit at this table. Well, you weren't on the vlog, on the walk yesterday.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
I was?
You weren't on the walk yesterday.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Buffy won't move. Charlie's like, I'm Charlie, hi. Chocolate cookie.
Car.
I didn't know you got a chocolate cookie. They give it to you free?
Yeah, they gave it to me for free.
It says $175.
That's how much they took off the bill. They actually paid me to eat that cookie, which I thought was very nice of them.
But the total was $475.
Yeah, we got an old
And you
man's
got
discount.
3 items.
We got everything for $4.75.
Well, then why does this one say $17.25?
That's the previous customer bought a whole bunch of stuff for us for that
And
much
how come our
money.
order's on it?
Our order's on it?
Yeah.
There's
She's a detective.
One amazing coincidence. Yeah. And that's what it is, a coincidence.
Sure.
A coinkadinky.
Are you talking on a hair dryer?
It was Joshua.
Wow.
He said they would change your plans. It's not 5 o'clock at Wendy's, it's more like 9 o'clock.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Rachel Bessie.
He said if I want to come blindside you and hear you say, oh crap, then I should come about 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
It's so close to your eye.
It's a true story. Well, and you'd be on the bus.
How come you guys don't have original flavored almond milk?
Here, Charlie. Here,
Hold on. Charlie wants to talk to you. What do you want from Aldi, sweetie?
Like, I can't eat that.
She likes dog food.
She can't talk to you right now.
Charlie.
Okay. All right. Take care of it. Deliver it here. You know where we live. Idiot.
Gary, what kind of an example is that?
Good.
Such words spoken today.
Oh! Hello? I need the warden's office. Yeah, one of them have escaped. Well, if you haven't noticed, yeah, he's sitting here. Uh-huh. Yeah. Really? Okay. Thank you. Yeah. They don't want you back.
Good.
I didn't have the right bread, so now she's eating my bread with cheese on it. So bad for you.
Oh, baby.
Come here, Charlie.
The sack abuse hotline.
Yeah. It's Rachel again.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's worse. It's the
No,
worst we've ever seen it.
She's cute, but she's nuts.
Yeah, she is nuts. I'm sorry.
She's talented, but she's demented.
Oh no.
Nothing we can do?
Oh no. Oh
Give her a
no.
shot or something?
No. It's worse. Do something. Well,
I am doing something.
is that a hair dryer?
Rachel, why are you hitting? Papa's drinking.
Vodka's good.
It's also a broken bottle.
Is that the bad bread?
Yeah.
wisest thing I've ever seen.
Dog of wisdom. Okay, guys, this weather is horrible. I don't like it. Jail's covered in snow, which means I have to remember to come wipe them off. Rachel needs to remember to come wipe her car off. Charlie doesn't like it because it's cold and gross. But this thing is too big for her, but the other one is too small. It's just a big struggle. So, anyway, bye now. Mom, Boofy! Yay, yeah, it's snowing out! Hey guys, so I just edited part of the vlog, so I don't have to do too much when I get home. Yeah, I asked my papa if they'd bring me extra food for my dinner. Said I kind of didn't want to pack any today, and I was just kind of like, yeah, they will. So they brought me Chipotle. Yay! So I'll have that for my dinner tonight in class. What else is going on? We'll get ready. Get all ready for work and everything, so I have to go to class and then go to work right after. And Charlie's napping because she has been annoying all day. We went on a walk and now she just needs time to chill. So that's what's going on. So I think I might write now or something. I don't know. We'll see. Hey guys, so now I'm off to class. Not class, but it's finished class. I finished class and now I'm going to work. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. I did eat my Chipotle like at 3 something because we were gonna do a bunch of like activities in class, and I think I'd have time to like eat my full meal. So I ate like the Chipotle part, and then I ate like the chips, and then I ate the applesauce and the chocolate like in like sessions because I was like, this is not gonna work out. So anyway, gotta go now. Can't do anything. Hey guys, so I'm following Rachel home. She didn't even stop at that stop sign. Granted, no one's ever coming, like, because the intersections are blocked off, but still. Guys, I got my new bottle. It's so cute. Alright, I'm having a snack and ending the vlog here. So, always remember, be happy. See you guys all tomorrow. Bye.